Hi Digicians, have you ever seen moving or animated logo at websites, web pages, or even on emails and wondering how you can do the same for your existing logo? If yes, you are watching a correct video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can animate your logo in very simple and easy steps in no time and for free. So watch this video until the end and you will be able to make a animated logo using your existing static logo, and you can even change or opt for many options how you actually want to animate your logo. So let us start without any further delay. And this video is again in the series of useful website. So this is another useful website that I am going to show you for animating your logo, and this is dancelogo.com, and you can make a logo dance. So start the dance. DanceLogo is an online tool for making animated logos, animated icons, intro and outro videos, 3D video logos, and much more. So let us start. I'll take an example logo. Now, at the first step, we have to upload our existing logo, and then we can decide how we want to animate that. So the supported format is JPG, PNG or SVG. So your logo should be in these format, and let us upload the logo. I am taking a sample logo having with me. So I'll upload a logo that I have. This is the logo, and uploading the logo, and this is the logo. And now adjust logo scale position. So this is by default set to 80%, and it is on showing a solid color or no background. So I'll choose no background because I want to have a transparent, PNG image or transparent logo simply. So for transparent no background logo, you have to select no background, or if you want a solid color, you can select this, or even you can keep the image background or video background. So it is totally up to you how you want to change. So even you can put a background at your animated logo, so you can make it as many times as you need, and the screen is even showing the progress of your completion of this animation task. So even create account to make a record of your animations. Okay, so let us proceed for next. At this screen, we have to select the intro effect, and after delay 0 second speed, and choose intro effect like body, baby shape, baby steps, and like so everything will be shown here in the left. Whatever you select, like if you select bones in, it is going to show here, and the plus in is here, and you can, so this is I'm selecting randomly this. You can explore all the options, even hundreds of options, 20s of options at least here, and you can select any of these options. So select this intro dance, and further you have to select the option. Now next, choose the intro dance. This is loop effect, so we can select rotate, and rotate right like this, or rotate top, or so swivel. This can be also a forward. So I'm just taking random examples. You can select at your own choice. I'm going to next, and at this step we have to select the outro effect. You can skip any of these steps, and if you don't want to choose that particular animation for your logo, and we can, I'm choosing everything just to show you. Scale out is here, scale out TR like this, and we are like this. So center can be good for me, so I'm selecting the center. Next, we just need to create an account and download the logo. And I have filled the required details, and now I'm registering. You can also use the register with Google or Facebook. And now we have option to get it 1:1 ratio, and we have premium options as well. So if you are willing to have the logo in WebM or WebP format, you can select. The even GIF or MP4s is available. So mostly used uh, format is GIF and WebP if you are using at your web page. So you can select the aspect ratio, so it should be in highest, so 1:1. And even if you are creating for square, I mean a vertical, so you can select 9:16, or for rectangular you can select. So I'm selecting this one because my logo size was around rectangular. And we can download and go for this download. And you might be thinking, now we have to pay. So as I said, we can use it for free using a simple trick. So we have already created account, and now what we can do, since it cannot be saved or downloaded without payment, and it is asking for $60, it is a big amount for me at least. So you can pay simply either $60 to have a high resolution image, just in case if you want to use it professionally. And if you want the animated logo for simple uses like on web page or email, so you can have this quality image as well. However, all the size and directions are here, like for what you can use at YouTube intro or outro, which animation and what should be the resolution for the best quality. But yes, I am going to show you how you can download it for free. So simply click on copy effect. You will be here, and you can now download this animated logo that you just created. So just open it and open image in new tab, or save image as. It is up to you how you want to do this. So you can open this image in a new tab, and this is the new tab, and you can further save this image, save image as. And under downloads we can keep it like animated logo. So it is coming in WebP format. If you want to change the format, in the next video I'm going to tell you how you can change the image format as well. So in the coming videos I am coming with multiple solution. I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel and already pressed the bell button, and you are not willing to miss all these important steps that can make you a smart user of computer. So now I have downloaded it, and now coming, and this is the animated logo that we created. So it was so simple, we did not paid it, and now we are fine with this. And you can simply use this for your web pages. And as I said, in the next video, in the coming videos, I'm going to show you how you can resize this animated logo, and how you can even remove the background. So all will be here. Just keep watching. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.